Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: battery at or above 50% and a stable power connection. This prevents mid-update shutdowns. Once done, back up your configuration and user data to an external drive or cloud so you can restore if needed. Next, download the official Ditto update package and its checksum. Verifying integrity avoids corrupted installs. While you verify the checksum, prepare the device by closing unnecessary apps and disabling sleep. These steps reduce interruptions and make you now execute the update. First, re-verify the checksum. If it mismatches, stop and re-download to avoid bricking. Then run the installer with administrator or root rights because permission failures create partial installs. Follow each prompt, choosing default options unless you have a reason to change them. Custom paths can break dependencies. While the installer runs, monitor the console or log output in real time so you can identify error codes and take immediate corrective action if a package fails to unpack. Once the installation finishes, reboot the system to load updated components and verify the Ditto version and critical services are active. Make sure to test core functions, networking, auth, and data access, and restore your backed up configuration if settings were reset. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Collect installer and system logs, attempt a safe mode reinstall to isolate conflicts, and document exact error codes. If that fails, provide logs and steps taken to Ditto support so they can reproduce and fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.